Hi everyone. Been a crappy weekend here in Lonnie this weekend, and the sun's finally come out, so thought I'd jump in the car and just take you for a drive around some of the sites at Launceston. I'm going to take you from the city centre to the Trevallyn Dam, and just to show you how lucky I am where I live, how close everything is tight to the city. So enjoy the episode and roll the intro. So our destination today is the Trevallyn Dam, not 5 minutes away from Launceston city centre. Enjoy the footage. This working dam area here now has all been opened up by the local council, and it's a park area, lots of grass area, some monuments to the dams and the hydroelectric systems, barbecue and picnic areas. It's quite a nice space in the summer. Not too many people here today. There are many walking tracks in this area with some scenery, lots of little creeks heading down into the river. Well marked tracks, very well maintained. Across a little wallaby grazing on the grass. No, he's not having a bar of me getting any closer. We've just stumbled onto a mob of wallaby. Some close, some far. There's one out there. There's one here, one there, and his mate over the back there. So as you can see, Trevallyn Dam here, not 5 minutes drive from the city of Launceston. Worth a visit if you're ever up this way. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you liked the episode, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.